People Society initiated by Gopal Krishna Gokhale and became its president. He also joined Indian independence movement in 1920s and spent almost 9 years in jail on various occasions. His activities also included joining non-cooperation movement and salt satyagraha too. Lal Bahadur Shastri joined Quit India movement and led the freedom fighters effectively. On 11 June 1964, Lal Bahadur Shastri was appointed as the second Prime Minister of India after the death of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
We believe in peace and peaceful development, not only for ourselves, but for the people all over the world. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Bharat Mata ki Jai.
Chandrasekhar Azad, a daring revolutionary activist, was involved in the bombing of the Central Assembly along with Bhagat Singh. He hated Britishers and the people who worked for them. His name was Azad because he wanted Azadi for his country. He had played a very important role in the freedom struggle. The Britishers very badly wanted to nab him dead or alive. While attacking the policemen, the ammunition was almost exhausted. He shot himself in the head with his last bullet.
Bharat Mata ki Jai. Bharat Mata ki Jai. My name is Azad because I will give Azadi to my country. I don't want to get killed from the Britishers. वो फिरंगियों के पास ऐसी गोली नहीं है जो मेरी हत्या कर सके. चिंगारी की आजादी सुलगी मेरे जश्न में है. इनकलाब की ज्वालाएं लिपटी मेरे बदन में है. मौत जहां जशरत हो ये बात मेरे वतन में है. कुर्बानी का जज्बा ये बात मेरे कफन में है. जय हिंद.
The father of Indian Constitution, Dr. Ambedkar, was the first law minister of independent India. He is known for his work as a lawyer, economist, politician, and a professor. He tried to unite the Indians who were divided in every possible way. The complete unification of the backward classes to the struggle was achieved by Ambedkar. Let us resolve the purpose of education is to moralize and socialize the people and to live up to the vision of Ambedkar.
Good morning, free Indians. Ours is a battle for freedom. Ours is battle not for wealth, not for power, for reclamation of human personalities. We are Indians, firstly and lastly. Jai Hind.
Rani Velu Nachar, born in the 18th century, she was Indian queen from Shivaganga who fought against the British. She was the princess of Ramantapuram and she was trained in martial arts like Silabam, horse riding and archery. She was a scholar in many languages like French, English and Urdu. She also formed an army and sought an alliance with Gopala Nayakar and Hyder Ali with the aim of attacking the British. In 1780, she successfully fought the British. Nachar was one of the few rulers who regained her kingdom and ruled it for more 10 years.
Britishers, get out of my country. I want freedom for my people. Jai Hind.
Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak was an Indian nationalist, social reformer, lawyer and an independence activist. He was the first leader of the Indian independence movement. He was conferred with the honorary title of Lokmanya, which literally means accepted by the people as their leader. Tilak is one of the first and strongest advocates of Swaraj, that is self-rule.
स्वराज हा माझा जन्मसिद्ध हक आहे आणि मी तो मिळवणारच. स्वराज ये हमारा जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार है और हम इसे पाकर रहेंगे.
Mangal Pandey, a Sipahi in the English East India Company, is remembered today as the man who provided the spark to set alight the Indian independence movement. He was a soldier in the British Army. Mangal Pandey was one of the first freedom fighters of India. Pandey was a Sipahi who rose against the British rule during the Great Revolt of 1857. Mangal Pandey attacked his British officers, revolted against the graded cartridges being used by the British forces and played a pivotal role in the Baratpur unrest. Pandey fought with diligence for the freedom of this country and due to his revolutionaries, he was hanged till death in 1857.
ये लड़ाई आजादी की है, गुजरे वाले कल के लिए, आजादी आने वाले कल के लिए है. जय
usually called as Netaji, was one of the most prominent leaders of Indian freedom struggle. He ran the Indian National Army, popularly known as Azad Hind Fauj, in 1943, which was initially formed in 1942 by Rash Bihari Bose. He passed his BA in philosophy from the Presidency College in Calcutta. He was strongly influenced by Swami Vivekananda's teachings and was known for his patriotic zeal as a student. He also adored Vivekananda as a spiritual guru.
Give me blood, I'll give you freedom. Freedom is not given, it's taken. Jai Hind.
Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India and a central figure in Indian politics before and after independence. He emerged as the paramount leader of the Indian independence movement under the tutelage of Mahatma Gandhi and ruled India from its establishment as an Indian nation in 1947 until his death in 1964. He is considered to be the architect of the modern Indian nation state as a sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic republic. He was also known as Pandit Nehru due to his roots with the Kashmiri Pandit community, while many Indian children knew him as Chacha Nehru.
Good morning, India. Failure comes when we don't remember our ideals, principles and objectives. And success belongs to those who act boldly without being afraid of consequences. Jai Bharat Ma.
As we go through the annals of Indian history, we come across many unsung heroes who laid their lives for freedom. Here is a legendary hero, Tirupur Kumaran. He was born on 4th October 1904. He started Desapantu Youth Associates by grouping the youth of Tamil Nadu to the struggle against the British government to get freedom. Kumaran was inspired by Mahatma Gandhi and followed his principles of non-violence and ahimsa. Tirupur Kumaran died on 11 Jan 1932. At the age of 28, his death was very cruel as the police cold-bloodedly executed him during the protest against the British colonial government. He was so patriotic that he died by holding the national flag of India, which was banned by the British government. Due to this, he is hailed as the savior of the flag.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram.
is like untruth. Hare Ram.
Because of these heroes, today we are enjoying our freedom and living a peaceful life. Happy Independence Day to all. Thank you.
Don't forget their sacrifice. Don't forget their achievements. Remember, we are Indians who are proud to be Indians.